Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. It was said by Benjamin Spock. This is your section 5. Examine yourself. I would like to ask, have you examined something before now? I think you have examined several things before this. You examine the new person you meet in your life, the thing you eat, the place where you travel. But the biggest question is, have you examined yourself? This time, you will examine yourself. Most of you will say that you haven't examined yourself in your lifetime. Am I right? Yes, of course. We examine everything, but a few of us examine ourselves. Do you think you are not so important in your sight? It is because we never feel the necessity for examining ourselves. Now start examining what you are doing from morning to evening. You have to examine the following things and only examine them. Don't indulge with them. We start from the morning. When do you wake up? When do you sleep? What do you do from morning to evening? Where your time goes? What do you do for a living? Where your money goes? Are you thinking of financial independence? Are you working for financial independence? You don't need to emotionally indulge in all these things while observing. You only have to observe all the things and note down the thing in the paper every day. This will make you conscious about your life. It will make you conscious of what you do all day, what is happening with your money. First you need to be conscious. Only then you will move one step ahead towards financial independence. To be conscious of what you are doing is the sign you have started your journey towards financial independence. If you have any questions related to this lecture, then you can comment. Thank you very much.